Just arrived in Singapore on a 14-hour flight from London, but every time I come to this airport, I see something new. It just amazes me. It's such a beautiful airport. I will have a short stay here in Singapore, just enough time to do a luxury travel hotel review for you that I hope you're going to enjoy very much. Hello and welcome to Uncut Travel. This is Alex, and today I'm bringing you another luxury travel vlog hotel review. This time it's going to be the JW Marriott Singapore South Beach, and this is a fabulous property. It's been rated amongst the top 24 luxury hotels in Singapore by Conde Nast Travel magazine. This is the lobby and check-in area of the Marriott in Singapore. Quite contemporary decor, almost a bit eclectic, I would say. Let me check in now. This is a standard room, no upgrade. Just to give you an idea of the price that I'm paying per night, it's $271 US, which is about 390 SGD, Singaporean dollars. And I want to show you something very special. I know I'm not weird, just watch. So this hotel has a toilet that opens itself, heats itself, cleans itself. I checked in quite late into the JW Marriott here in Singapore. It's nighttime and long flight. I'm tired. I don't really want to go to a restaurant or out anywhere. So even here in the hotel, I'm a Marriott Bonvoy member, so I have access to the lounge, which is actually across. I gotta walk all the way across to the other building. But I heard there's some nice food at the lounge, so let's go and look at it. Here we are. This is the club lounge entrance. The quality of the food in the club lounge is definitely first class. There's a great selection of food, appetizers, vegetables, cold cuts, and local specialties. Very nice. I think the highlight of the JW in Singapore here, in this 5-star luxury property, is definitely the pool area, which is located on the 18th floor, and it's got a 360-degree view of Singapore. You'll see the whole city. It's got to be a spectacular view at night and during the day, for that fact. And you will also find the sauna and the gym. Everything is located on the 18th floor. So and there's a bar, I think. So let's take a look. So the fitness center here at the JW Marriott in Singapore is open 24 hours. I really like that a lot because if you're in a different time zone, you can't sleep, just come and work out. There's a really cool wheel pool that you can take a dip in, and then of course after you work out, take a sauna or a steam bath. Very, very nicely done here. Good morning. I had a great rest last night. This is the view during daytime. Very nice. But I really want to show you one more time the views from the 18th floor during daytime hours. Well, viewers, this was a very short but very memorable stay here at the JW Marriott South Beach in Singapore. Mesmerizing views, top-notch service, and it's a very, very nice property. I'll definitely have to come back. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I want to thank you very much for watching Uncut Travel with Alex.